Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. My name is Roti Panjalina Putri. I am 12 years old. I am class 1 junior high school. I live in Majalengka in Panjaling village. And my hobby is making a picture. Usually, if I'm making a picture, I love drawing like SpongeBob and make it as animation. And then I love drawing. Why I like it? Because drawing is so fun for me. Because sometimes I don't know what to do in home, just alone in home, no one sometimes. And I'm just drawing due to my phone's battery died. And today I will tell you about how to make omelet. Usually, if you guys want to eating food, right? You guys usually want to making omelet, but you guys do not know how to make it. But this is an easy thing because first you guys just need to prepare for a bowl, just one bowl, and then enter enter 2 or 4 eggs, and then you add bacon and cheese, and then you add pepper. Yeah, you add pepper, and then you mix it, then fry it. And when you fry the omelette, do not leave it, because if you leave it, it will be toast. It will be toast, and it will be not good for you. And then when you finish making the omelette, you can add salt or even soy sauce or even hot sauce. You can add everything, but if you want to add salt, just a little. Just don't add salt so much. And then after you finish making the omelette, you can eat it and enjoy it. If the omelette feels so good when you eat it, it means you make the omelette so perfectly. But if the omelette is not good a bit, that means you're a bit having a mistake when making an omelette. That's happened to me. That's always happened to me also, not just me, but everyone does it too. And yeah, that's all for my telling about how to make omelette. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.